Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sujala. In this session, we learn the multi-string in C language and we can reverse also it. So let us start. I share my laptop screen and here fix the position so you can watch better way my video lecture, and here Turbo C++ is there. I just double click and take some process, and now yes is open. Alter F file menu and taking new file, and here write a program to enter yes to yes enter multiple string and reverse it or reverse of them. Yes, because so many string like name one, that not only one string but number of strings. So yes, let us take how it's possible. So we can first scan and print. So here stdio or standard input output dot h, and then conio, just console input output, and then void main. Yes, so that is our main function, and here we can take like character. Yes, there are two techniques. First I give static, and we can learn also pointer in C, so we can also use pointer. So here I define the string, okay, str1 and 3, that is a 1D array, and now 2, so 2D array. We can say that collection of T is a row, and that every 3, and that is a 10 character. So we can see different type of string up to 10 character we can scan. So that is a row and that is a column. You have to know very well that is 2D array. And let us take second same I first declare, but we can first only one and scan and print, then we can take some second and reverse of that second in first to second. Okay, so here we can give like enter and shootable message. So enter the or enter string. Yes, so we can give the short or we can say that enter 3 strings. Yes, here we can scan up to 3 strings. So take one for loop and index start integer. So here I take I as an integer. Okay, so I equal to 0 and I less than 3 and I plus plus. So here what scan, and you have to know very well, we can I print the index also, but here str of 1, yes, str1 of percentage d, yes, and then I. So and we can use the getS, yes, not here scanf, because that is a limitation. So here I pass the getS and of I. Yes, previously what we can only define the one D array, character 1D array, now 2D array. So first we can what that type of syntax. So here we can give the 20, so one string only scan. Now we can take in for loop get s and put s. So that is a 3, we can say that 3, yes, here subscript is 2, so 2D array, that is a okay. So yes, first we can scan and then print also. So yes, I that's enter 3 string and I copy and paste to print also, and here provide the get ch, yes, and so first program is there, so we can input and output. So yes, that is my technique. What is the input in every definition, and what is a process, and what is a output, divide and conquer. So here enter 3 string, yes, enter a write a program to enter multiple strings. Yes, that string, yes, one character g is remaining string, yes, and reverse of them. So here we can fix the 3 string, okay, multiple string. So yes, also I provide the s multiple string is there and reverse of them, yes, means reverse order. So yes, we can scan and print, but here we can use not get s, now test is there, test. So print, yes, and then same index is no problem, and print, and not enter the three string r, yes, here message the r, and provide the slash n, and here also provide the slash n. Yes, now I first save. So we can say that multiple string, or yes, multi string str and dot c. Yes, so 5 and 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I not to give the multi string that type of, because underscore is the 9 character, 8 character up to our file name. So yes, I compile. Yes, what to warning, because that is a, we can directly, yes, here I just give the reference. So here when one dimensional array, we can give only that put as, and that is, let us first I give that example, and then I take the I. So yes, but here we can take in for loop. So I remove just comment line, so there is no any error. And here I also comment line. So let us first one string get as and put as. So yes, I, yes, now here also not provide that index, only one. And now also I here comment line. Okay, all now comment. First we can scan and print one string. Yes, you have to understand. So enter not three, but only one string. So I give like any string. So we can say that this is a pen. Yes, so first that type of example, and the three, but not one string is there. This is a pen. Okay, first is complete. So that is my saying, that is 1D array. Now here we can define the three, that 2D array, and now open is a loop. Yes, so that is a multi-string scanning and printing. That is our here more important. So not only one string. Yes, now we can open all of this, and here we can what to do here, one 2D array in string array. So here we can pass one subscript, and that is a I. So that is, and here also I. Yes, so that scan and print. Yes, let us check. Yes, there is no any error. We can pass three strings. So first string the 0. So this is a like a pen up to 20 character we can give, and next, yes, second. So this is a uh, pencil, yes, up to 20 character. And now this is a, but computer, so how many letter? Yes, so not big. So yes, all are perfect. So three scan and three print, that is our idea. Yes, so that is a 2D multi-string, we can scan and print, put as, and simple, very put as and get as. So now that is our input. Yes, that is our input. Yes, and that is our output. So now in between, that is process. So input output is complete, input and out. Now process, and what is this reverse of it? So yes, now here I take again for loop, I equal to 0, then I less than, we have to fix 3, and I plus plus. So you can also take more, and here we can also take the j index, because we can, and also k. Yes, so because we can start the end of, yes, how it's, let us check. So first we can all string in a reverse order. So yes, I just let us j equal to 0, and then str of 1 over, yes, and then I, yes, and j. Yes, here we can start the I and j, and not equal to null. You have to know very well what is a not equal to null. So that is a null. And then we can say that j plus plus, yes, here, because inner loop is there. And then there is a new technique, that is a, here we can say that only null statement, that is known as null semicolon only. And here also you can write, and here what is a benefit? So all string in the we can say that take in reverse order. So now here is a semicolon. Yes, that is a advanced feature of, that is null value. So all just we can in we can remove, means reverse order. So all string j plus plus, so all that second, that subscript, yes, I is a fix and j is a plus plus, so all string in reverse order. And now we can take in one other string variable 2, and that is a same declaration 20. So we can copy in reverse order all string. Yes, now next our important for loop. So that is a only, that is a logic, not is any error. we can take null value. So all string in reverse order, and we can store in our second str string 2. So here we can start the k, yes, and then j, yes, and j minus 1, because index start with 0, means 0. So here j is plus plus up to all string complete, but index start with 0. So we can assign to j equal to j minus 1, yes, and then semicolon, and j is greater than or equal to 0, yes, and k is a plus plus, but j is a minus. One for loop taking two for loop work, and just copy like str of 2 of I and k, yes, I and k, two subscript assigned to str1 of I, and then j. J is a reverse order, so we can store in 2 is a reverse order. So here is a first we can take the, this condition is very important. Here only semicolon is there. There is no any body of this for loop, and all string in reverse order and store in the same str1 first string. And we can taking the copy of str2. I is a 0 and k is also 0. But here I and j is a reverse order, because j first we can j plus plus, so all string in last and last to first. Here k is 0 and j is a last, so copy in reverse order of string 2. So yes, now I all string in first that order, and now again that reverse order. Yes, we have print. So here I give the message reverse order of 3 string, yes, that type of message. And here also I provide the slash n. So let us check how it's print. So yes, here we can print the first is a, here is a 2, not 1, yes, and here is a 1. So let us check how it's perfectly or not, no any error. And let us check, I give the same. So this is a pen, yes, that is pen. This is a pencil, yes, pencil, and last third string, this is a computer, yes, computer. So look, our first 3 string are same, perfectly print. This is a pen, this is pencil, and but reverse order of the 3 string are. So yes, all are perfectly reverse. All that this is a pen, dot to starting the dot, that print in the reverse order. So multi-string we can take the reverse order. That is very important. Yes, so that is a reverse. I think you have to know understand that is a very, that is a logic, not any error. Here is a null statement. So we can take the j plus directly, like we can print taking the index of in our first only one string reverse order. So that time we can take one length variable and plus plus. So here we cannot take a length variable directly. J itself use. Here you can take one length and I plus plus, and here length minus 1. That is also possible, but we cannot take extra variables. So that is a logic. Yes, that logic, not any error. So after the semicolon, that is a null statement in advanced feature of for loop. And here we can just revise the j plus plus, so all in reverse order, and we can take on the index in reverse order. So j minus 1, because index start with 0. So that our goal is achieved. Yes, I think you have to know very well that all are perfectly. So let us one string we can trace in watch window, so you can understand better. So control F8, yes, and how it possible, and alter W, and here I take the first watch window, yes, and then alter W and output window, and here I first minimize some. Okay, and now here means size of small, and here we can say that str of 1, then I and j, yes, I j, I think, yes, so perfect. And then str of 2, that is a k, and then uh, j, yes, k, and yes, I is there. So let us check. Yes, I and k. Yes, no. So here is a str of 2, that I and k. Yes, that perfect order. So now yes, and then I print, and then J, yes, and then K. Three index we have to take, but use in two here I K and here I J. So yes, that we can start control F9. So run over, yes, here I take control and now control F9 and yes, enter three string. So how first we can only string one because there is so many long. Only one string we can take reverse order. So after one by one all are. So yes, so this is a pen and then second string. This is yes, is a pencil or any name. Yeah, just simplicity I give this type of statement. This is a computer or any other name or string. Yes, so let us F7. So here the there is a first I is a directly 3 because that is scanning, so I plus plus now is 0 sign again, and J is a garbage, now is 0. Yes, but here look directly that plus plus, that is no any taking error, and that is a first string, that is here you can look over 14 character like str length we have to use, or here I can again give the like one length and initialize integer length variable 0 and here length plus plus. So that first string size is 14. Look here 4 5 6 7 7 8 9 10 11, 12, 13, and 14. So here exactly j equal to 14. So that is a count the size of our first string. And then because index start with 0, so j equal to j minus 1. So j is a 14 minus 1 because 13. So 0 to here 13 character. And now it reverse order. Let us check. So here I is 0. Yes, I and k. K is also 0. So 0, 0 and store the I 0 and j is a 13. So 0 and 13 store in the 0, 0 first index. So that reverse order. So 0 and 30 is a dot and store to 0, 0. Yes. So that dot store in the first place means we can take the second string. So str1 in correct order means reverse order, and here correct order means 0, 0, and here 0 and 30. So that's storing the str2. So I press F7. Yes. So j minus minus and that yes. So k plus plus, so k is a 1 and j is a 12. Yes, so and I is a 0. So that is the same row, or because row is a first but column is changed because same first string. So that is a same in reverse order. So like that turn is a n variable. So here you look, here n is there. So I is 0 and here is 0, 0, both are 0, but j is a 12 and k is a 1. So that swap that position here, n is here to second position. Means, okay. So I press F7, yes, again. So now turn to E in reverse order, k plus plus 2 and j minus minus, so 11. Yes, that is going as sequence k plus plus and j minus minus. And now P, that pen to P last, that is a pen P means that reverse order P is give, and now blank. Yes, k plus plus, so 4 and j minus 9. Yes, now A, same in reverse order, that storing str1 to str2 in reverse order. So I now press yes, now next blank, and S is there first string only, and then yes, so all are perfectly yes, T and last. And now I note yes, second string, and that is 17 character because and minus 1, so 16. Yes, that is start again. So that is a ongoing, yes, same that reverse order store. I not just pass out, and then yes, that complete. So H and T, yes, now complete. And then now third string that start, and that is 19 character. Okay, and minus, so 18 assigned to j, and that same reverse order I just pass out. So yes, and then yes, now is complete. Okay, and then print is start first that our string, yes, all are one print, one for loop that print, and then reverse order, yes, all are printed. So that is our output. So yes, I think you hope understand. So yes, very simple, and write this program. I remove this red line. Okay, control F8, and that is a reverse of order of the string. Okay, And here we can also like static. Here I give the like asterisk sign. Yes, sir. So here we can also use the asterisk sign. So yes, here I give. So here we cannot give the static. Yes, that is also a possibility. Let us check. So that is a one. That is a array. There is no limitation. And three column means 3 row is size column fixed, but 20 we can give. That is a vesting. In previous we can declare that is a vesting of memory. But now that asterisk sign, how many characters store that type of taking? Let us check. That is a same working or any error is there. So there is no any vesting character, so we can give small size of that that also taking perfectly. Like I give only one word. And okay, so like F5 CSM1, so that is a 20 to like 10 character. After 10 is vest, but in this is not vesting, so that is a benefit. Okay, so some that taking pointer is there, so sometimes that giving error. But here that first we can take the static. Okay, so pointer sometime taking the error, so we cannot risk, because that perfect our program is there, so we cannot disturb to there. And I remove the asterisk sign. So that is a benefit, because some, but here scanning more string, one string is a perfectly work, pointer is there. So yes, write this program to your node, and that is a logic, not any error. Yes, null statement of 4 after the 4. So that is count the length of our string, and that is a taking reverse order. So that is our logic. Yes, and yes, so scanning, printing, and in between logic. So yes, I close this session. Yes, quit all are and quit. So yes, subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy. Press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.